All right, this is what we woke up to this morning. Isn't this glorious? There's Faye walking down the little pathway, little walkway there. This is just the patio area of the Causey Mansion. So gorgeous. So it's, I don't know, maybe about 8:30. I think it's about 8:30 right now. This is where I come in the evening. Kind of just decompress here. Look at that. They have, I think they have, what did they say, about 3 acres? So let's just walk down this little path. Should be able to hear the fountain here pretty soon. Pretty majestic, isn't it? Yet another walkway there. Another archway there. Croquet, you can play croquet over there. There's the fountain. You get to it from the another walkway. There's little places to sit and meditate. Every place in the garden. So lovely. Then if we walk back here, there's that archway, and then you can see the little croquet. Let's get closer to that. Oh, look at that. Isn't that just beyond? And this is where we can play croquet. Oh my goodness. Just wonderful. Thank you so much, Joey and Jan, for all of this wonderfulness. And this is walking back to the mansion. This is the back of the mansion. And mansion it is. So much fun. All right, this is our 4th day
Jumping ahead of the game
here in Milford. We're playing with chalk pastels in this glorious room. See some lovely colors going on here. We're just going to walk around the room a little bit.
I had volunteers come in and made bowls. They have a fundraiser, bowls for hungry, for the hungry. I was looking at my bowls and I don't want to give them away.
As you can hear, everyone's having a great time.
You want it to blend a little bit. Maybe dab.
Yeah. I'll give you some clear
Ask Lori what she thinks, but I would think maybe dabbing your brush a little will keep it from blending too much.
Look at these gorgeous colors. Okie dokie.
Yeah.
Because it's the gesso that stabilizes the chalk. So that's why she said to do that.
I know. That's all right.
It's all good.
It's all good. You bet it is.
I couldn't find my name tag.
That's beautiful. And here we are, back to the beginning with
Sandpaper's
pictures.
next.
And this is our drawing area over here with our Sonia.
Get to wave. Hi.
You want to wave? Okay, we can wave. But I don't want people to get dizzy. Yay!
I don't want to show like that one.
Well, now we've got that on camera. Everybody look over here and wave. Are you having a good time? I'm coming in. All right. Hi, Patricia. Hi. Claire doesn't have time right now. Rain, hi.
Hi.
Oh, Claire, that was good.
I'm under pressure.
Robin, hi.
Hello there.
Over here with Deb. Linda's good.
Yay.
Sonia's like crazy, putting on the crackle,
Hi. Putting on the red.
putting on the Ritz.
Pressure.
And Morgan's around here someplace.
Here. Morgan's over there.
I don't want to make people dizzy. All right, wave to us, Morgan. Yay! Everybody have a fun day?
Yeah.
Is everyone exhausted? No. Oh, come on. I worked you guys hard today.
That's a straight line. Thank
Nah.
God.
We all got our sleep.
We're good.
Okay.